Hi, I'm Viktor, Simulation Specialist at PLM Group. Let me show you a small tip on how you can defeature in your mesh when you work with 3DEXPERIENCE Simulia. This is good if you cannot do defeaturing in the original geometry. Then we simply do it in the mesh. So in this case, let's say we want to remove the small holes here. We can remove the mesh constraints, but we can also use the automatically built-in filter. So I go into the mesh, I will edit all the parameters, and I will use the remove 3D hole rule. I will create this, I will specify the diameters and create the rule, and then the holes are removed, and of course the mesh needs a lot of more work, but we don't have the holes to bother about anymore. Thanks for watching.